Oh, this should go like this. Just go like this now? I think I'm after.
What do you see, Jay?
I see a little fit like a flash item, but I don't know if it's negative.
You have the boots up here. These are how much these are. These are not steel toe though.
Yeah, cool stuff. Those are nice protectors.
How much are these? Look, Jay. Your stuff here. That's pretty cool right there.
I like the soft cases. This one's nice.
Get away though. Get away. Look at stuff.
Sorry, dude. Sorry.
Stay in there. Oh, look at that one. My favorite time is quiet time.
Oh, that one's a broken man.
I got this one. Don't tread on me. Don't tread on me. I'm gonna get that.
Look at that Thompson. That looks pretty cool. Get the American flag one.
I like this one.
That one's really cool, dude.
This is the last one. Yeah, these are right here. Look at that one, man. Yeah, that's cool. What about the one on the top, $3.99?
This one is cool, but it's really expensive.
But overall, you should just be able to get pissed off, and this isn't going to be a
Yeah, that shotgun stuff. This is $139 for that.
That's a good deal. That's a nice one, dude.
It's got the mag in there.
Yeah.
I wonder how much. Is that a CO2?
That's a Glock right here, dude.
That's
really
a Glock,
nice.
141.
I was gonna get one of those back then before I got my Topaz. Those were nice, yeah. Very lightweight.
Yeah, these over here. That one's pretty cool right there. $249.
They have the M9 pistol. That's more of a police one. It's a police pistol right there.
This is $139. Which one? This one?
one's that's what they use in the police.
$199.
It's a military. Cool. That's a military one.
That's right. That's pretty cool.
That looks nice.
Ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm just gonna go check something.